In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on one hand mode on Samsung phone. You can see with this, you'll be able to use your Samsung phone with one hand and then engage with other hands. So in this video, I'll walk you through the steps that you need to take to turn on one hand mode and how you can easily disable this on your Samsung phone. The first thing you want to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. While on the settings, scroll down and click on advanced features. Now scroll down and tap one hand mode. Now here, this is what you're going to see. The one hand mode feature will be disabled on your device. Then turn on this feature to enable the one hand mode feature. Once that is enabled, then you need to choose either you want to use gesture or the button to turn on or enable one hand mode. So in this case, temporarily scale down the display size for easier control of your phone with just one hand. Now gesture will allow you to swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the home screen, but for quick and easy access, you just need to choose button. So with button, you just need to tap the home button twice to enable the one hand mode feature on your Samsung device. So this is it. So let's say you're on your home screen and you want to enable one hand mode on your Samsung device. What you need to do is double tap the home screen and the one hand mode feature will be enabled. If you click outside the box, the one hand mode will be disabled. This does not disable the one hand mode permanently. This does disable it temporarily. So this is how to turn on one hand mode on Samsung device. If you find this so interesting, you want to hit like button, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.